Sammy, I guess it depends what you mean by low salary. You'd have to give me like a range. But did I start with a low salary in my IT career? Sure, sure. I mean, compared to what? Well, I mean, compared to what though, Sammy, right? Like I could tell you it was low, but I didn't really have a ton of options because I didn't really have the experience to justify anything higher, right? But as I've said before, my first grown-up job was at Disney Interactive. So, yeah, I wasn't killing it there. I wasn't making a ton of money, but I was getting good experience. I was at a good, name brand company. Um, I could basically pick my hours. I was learning from interesting people and not and some people that were not so interesting. Um, and I was enjoying what I was doing. So yeah, I wasn't paid a lot, but I liked it. I valued the gain that I was getting in other ways. Okay, so from there I went to college, and was I making a lot? No, but I wasn't making zero, which in college is typical, right? They want interns for free, right? I was still working in an interesting industry, and I was still valuing that I was building a resume that I could graduate with, right? And then when I graduated, when I was like a fresher, as most people say, I had two really really good offers from two big companies because of the experience that I had in college, because I had some of those lower paying jobs, right? So yeah, I mean, I did it and it helped me. And don't get me wrong, I needed the money. When I was in college, the deal I had with my parents was that they could only afford to pay the tuition, and that's it. I had to pay for my own housing, my own food, my own books, my own transportation. If I wanted pizza with my friends, I had to come up with the money. So I had to work during college. Like I needed the money. I worked a lot of hours in college. So like yeah, like I wasn't paid a lot, but it was a good experience. Like I'm glad I had those names on my resume when I graduated, right? Like when I graduated college, I had Disney Interactive on my resume. Like that was a good thing, right? So yeah, that's what I would tell you. Osama says data science is a clear pipeline, so it's tasked in order and iterate after evaluation is if visualization is showing ambiguities.